Hello, welcome to a moment in time for meditation with yours truly, Michelle. And I brought my crystal harp here to play for you. Ooh, the water's warm. Very nice. All right. Let's see. Let's just add the natural element of water. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So every week here at Seattle, I facilitate a sound bath meditation, and I utilize the crystal bowls, 7 different chakras, as well as gongs. I have 3 different kinds of gongs and different sizes create different vibrations, and in those vibrations it clears and resets us, and it allows us to release what no longer serves us, and just really step into that divine love that we are. And when I speak of divine love, and think of our natural state, right? That's what we're born into, and that allows us to be free and really fully in our divine love. And it's just such a beautiful space. And I think of the crystal harp because when I heard it for the first time, I was just like, oh, it's so angelic and it's so lovely to listen to. Another thing I love is the ocean drum that I have. Everybody always loves it because it's really soothing, and so it's fun to work with water. I was watching some videos on the harp, and people were taking it up to the snow and in the mud, putting mud on it, putting water, and just integrating natural elements, which I thought was really cool. So, hi there. Did you hear me playing? See if you like it. See if you can close your eyes. See what you see when you close your eyes softly. There you go. It is warm. So this is Tammy. Tammy lives here in Seattle. I'm doing a video, right? Have you a relaxing Sunday?
Yeah.
Did you get on the trampoline today?
Yes, I did.
I love it. We have a really big trampoline over there at Cielo, and she's practicing getting on it. And what did you experience?
Instant energy.
Instant energy. Oh my God. Actually, flip that on you. So one of the things they say about jumping on a trampoline, and that one's massive, it's quite big, and it has no springs, which is supposed to be good for no pressure to your joints, right?
Right.
So that's good as we get older, right?
I don't know if this is a thing, but I actually fell last night, and my ankle was bothering me, right? So I said, I don't know if I can do this trampoline, but then I did it, and all of a sudden I stopped thinking about the pain.
Nice. So yeah, it's supposed to bring joy and well-being, as well as, it's clearing, detoxifying, because it clears the lymphatic system. So it's nice in that respect because you feel better energy afterwards, right? If you think about it, jumping on a trampoline is it makes you think of when you were a kid, right?
Yeah, I used to do that all
up and down. It's very joyful.
That was my first crush, is on a trampoline. I was 16 years old, and I had no fear of anything, so I was jumping up and down, and this little boy at the time, when he was about 15 years old, he come up to me. I like your aura.
Oh my gosh, really? That's so nice. That's a big compliment.
Yeah, especially since I was 16.
Right. And then
my parents put a stop to that.
Okay. Oh, so cute. So yeah, first crushes are fun. It's, the innocence of, all that.
Can I take a picture of you?
Sure. Here we go. There you go.
1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2, 3.
I'm surprised you didn't say
Gabriel's Angels. I'll send it to you.
Tell the Jewish girl Jesus loves you. Yeah, he does. He loves everyone.
Oh, he's great.
I just like to make fun.
What?
I said I just like to make fun and playing. It's just funny. You used to always say that.
Remember my shirt, Jesus loves Jews, but I'm his favorite.
Oh my gosh, how cute. Do you like the sound this makes?
So much. So
It's pretty, huh?
I knew something was drawing me out here. I thought I was hearing things. I was like,
Wow, really? Nice.
look at Lotus.
My baby over there. She's sleeping. You know what you could do for me?
Sure.
Grab the phone over there and bring it closer, maybe, so they can see the
You sure you want me to do that?
Yeah, I think you can handle it. Just don't hold it over the water, maybe. Beautiful shallows. So this one girl I was watching, she was doing toning while doing it, which was really lovely. Do you know what toning is? There you go.
Here?
Mm-hmm. Like when you use your voice also. So except I can't sing. I can tone though. Get started. Here, give me that clip. You don't have to worry about it. I'll put this next to it so I can pick up my sound. Let's see how we do. Okay, so. Can you hum with me? That's a really high pitch.
I'm singing a Christian song.
Oh, is that so? Okay. Any song is good.
You're singing the same song as me.
No, I'm just making it up. Go along. La, 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 la.
It's so beautiful.
And then if you move it,
Are you cold?
I think I can hold it like this. No, the water's warm. It's really nice. I never get in here. Woo! There we go. Okay.